In this video, I will be sharing you about what are the CapCut, and from basic to advanced. I will show all the features and all the elements, or you can say all the frames, and the different ways to write text, add stickers or anything. What a basic or a beginner have to know, I will show you all in this video. So let's get started. First of all, you have to go to the CapCut website, and then from there you can download CapCut easily. When you download CapCut, this will appear. I have a paid version, so therefore there is AI video marker or record or long to short video conversion. But for you, if you are not using paid version, they may be not appearing. But from there you have to start your project. You have a screen. From there, home, spaces, image editing, and let's get started from create project. There are a lot of things, but for now we will be focusing on basics. So from there, create project, click on create project, then it will move to this screen. On this, there is detail section, player section. In the player section, your video will be visible and you can make what are you editing, you will be visiting at that section. And there is media, audio, text, stickers, effects. All these we will explore all these one by one. There is transition, caption, and everything. And on the left side, on the left part, there are media, and then AI media if you are generating from AI, and this may be just for the paid version. Okay, and there is a library. CapCut has a huge library for you. There is a huge library whether you are you want intros and outers or green screens, everything. There is a lot of, you can explore whatever you want. So you can directly search from there. If you want like mountains videos, then you can select mountain, and then the mountains images will appear. And if you want, like, there is a search suggestion, like I will search for money drop, then this is what appears. So this is how it has a very vast library. So, and if you click on the modify, there is modify button, and there is, from there you can modify your file name. This is my file name, so I will name it CapCut Tutorial. Okay, and if you want to change the place or whatever you want to do, there is whole settings. And aspect ratio, originally there, from there you can change ratio. If I change it to 16 to 9, or I want to change it to 9 to 16, if I change it 9 to 16, it will be converted to the real size. So for now we are not going to change that. So there is frame rate, and I will prefer you don't make these changes. But if you have a slow PC, like if you are not have graphic card or things like that, then you can change the resolution from there, so it will be easy for you to make edits, and whenever you are done, then you can change that. So I will save these changes. I have just changed the name. So this is detail page, and there is player page. When if I will click on that, then there is what. So this is how we will be visiting what we are making change. Before going to that, we will move back, and on media section, I will click on, and this is timeline. This is timeline. So if I click on import, then I can import different sections. From on clicking import, I will import my videos. So I have two videos I want to add, so I will select the both, and then I will click open, and they are open. So now you can drag materials here and start to create. So what we'll do, if we click on plus icon, it will add to track. Okay, now it is added on the track, and you can see I have added the two videos and it is appearing on the player. Okay, player screen. So from there you can change the ratio. If you want to edit like reels, you edit reels, then you change the ratio to 9 or to 16, and there is words appear. Now you can, if you click on it, you can observe that there are the new sections that appears: the audio section, the speed, the animation, the adjust, AI styling, and a lot more. So if you observe that there are four corners appear on my video, and if I stretch them, then it's like this. This is how you can change it. And if I will change this, then look at this. You can also change that from there. And if you want to change or transform it, you can also do it from there. Like this is how I have. There are the two different options for that scenario. You can either drag or like this, or you can like this. So both are the same. So for now I will just do it to 100%. So let's change its resolution back to the original. Okay, so now these are the different AI features, and you can check them out if you are using upgraded version of CapCut. And there is remove background, and from there you can remove background if you want to remove. And this is mask option for the beginner, and you are a beginner, so I don't want you to dumb into that. You are a beginner, so I don't want to teach you in the beginning that stuff. So we will move backward. So here is a timeline. There is, you observe that there is, look at this. If I will press on, first of all we will explain that section. So this is plus icon and minus icon. If I want to zoom in the timeline, then I will do like that. So here are the split option. If I want to cut it into two, like if this, I will click, I will drag it to wherever I want to make cuts. So I will cut at there. So I will click that. If I want to remove all from the right side, then I will click this. You have observed that the right side is totally cleared. And if I want to remove the left one, like this, so you can do like this. So these are the two delete option, right or left. And then if I want to split it, I will just click on split, or use a shortcut key Control plus B or Command plus B, like this. So this is how I have cut that video. And now if you want to undo whatever you have make your changes, so you can either press Command plus Z, or you can click on that icon. Look at this. This is reverse. This is undo. So now if you want to mute the track, this is called track. If you want to mute that, you can just click on that icon of sound and it will be muted. And if you want, like whenever we are editing, we have a lot of tracks. So if you want to hide one and want to view other, you can do like this. So if I will drag it to upward, then look at this, there are two tracks. If I will split it into two and I will like this, you have observed that, but I will undo these changes for now. So now if I want to add text, first of all let's listen one line. Look at this. So this is the, you can either click spacebar from your keyboard, or you can click on this, it will be start playing. Now we will add text in that video. So from this section here, we will add text. We will just click on text, then different text appears. The first one is default text. If I will click on plus icon, then here it is text. So let's Now you observe that if I click on text, then there are three sections that appears by default. Like there are three sections that appears: the basic, the bubbles, and the effects. So let's explore one by one. If I want to change that text, I will just go to that section and I will change that here. Okay, and then the font, whatever I want to use, I mostly use this font because that's my brand font, like this one. And then if I want to bold it, I will bold it, and if I want underline, I will do that. If I want different cases, title case or lowercase or uppercase, I will do from that. If I want to change the color, I will do from there. So I will undo this thing because it's not looking good. And here are the preset styles: the character, the colors, the alignments, and here are the pre-styles. Now you observe there are a lot of pre-styles. You can use whatever you want to do. If I change to this, like this, so this is again transformer scale. This, if I want to enlarge it or big it, like do like this. For now we will do it this. I want this to be a bit lower, so I will drag it to there. You can also change from this position X or Y. If you want to change it horizontally or vertically, you can do from there. And now there is a stroke color. If I want to add stroke, there is black stroke. If I want to change it to green, I will just do that. I will undo that. Just, and this is background. If I want to add background, then I can do this. So there are a lot of different, if you want to add glow, shadow or curve, whatever you want to do, you can add from there. And this is bubble section. There are the like these are the styles that are already given by the CapCut. Some of them are free and some of them are paid. I'm using paid version, so I have everything accessible. And there is effect. Now these are the effects, like this, whatever you want to apply, you can do from there. And just I want it to be simple, so I will go with none, and I will save as preset. If you want to save it as a preset. Okay, for now it's enough for the text. And if you want animation text, you can go to animation and you can add there are a lot of animations. So what you want, you will check out different animations. Like this, I have clicked on typewrite, and this, whenever I will click on this, it will start. My computer is going to be slow, thus. So you observe that this is how it's working. So for now, I will duplicate the text. I want to add more text. So I will just click on that. I will click on right side of the mouse, and then there is an option. I will copy it and I will directly paste it. So this is how I've done. And if I will click on this, like this, and then I will be editing this one, and you observe that there is a small arrow. This is showing it has the animation. Got it? So if you want to change animation, you can do from there. If I will go to none, then there is no animation. So that's how you can edit text. So let's change this text to here to, I want to add welcome to you can change. If the text appear there, you can just simply click on that and then drag it there. The green appears, it means they are joined with this last one. So welcome to Ali develops. So you observe that there is, I use this, and if I want to change it to capital, I will do this. And for now, I will just go to text, then basics, then case, and then uppercase. So here it is. So if I will show you, here is what's going. Welcome to early develops. So that's how amazing it's looking. And if I want to add stroke, whatever I want to do, I can just do from there. So if you want to paste the style to 3 at once, then you can do like this. You have to select these 3 and then just do this. Now this is appeared to and this will be appear to all of them. So that's how you are going to do. And if I want to add stickers, then I will just go to stickers, and if I want you, like, you have to subscribe, and this is how to add stickers. I just added that. If I want to add this, I'll click on that and it will be appeared. And if I want to, like, you observe that this is just appearing on the preview. It is not added to my video. If I want to add, I will simply drag and drop there. And if I don't want, I will just click on that and I will press the delete button or click on that icon. Then it's done. So this is how you can add stickers, and there is a lot of stickers, like this is gaming, this is scale, summer, emoji, wrong, whatever you want to do, you can explore a lot. And then effects. Here is the effects. When we add effects, you observe that whenever you are watching videos, there are different effects they are using. So let's add some effects. If I want, if I click on that and I will split it out, and then effects are only added when there are 2 screens, like this is how I will add at this. This is how I added that effect. You have to cut that video and then add effect like this. If I click on that, this is how you can add effects. You can also search effect or whatever you want to do. And it transitions, these are the transition I was talking about. I mixed it with effect, but transition are added when we are moving from one screen to another, like this one. I will undo the other and I will add like this. I want to add this effect, I will do this. So that's how you have to do. So you observe that this is what's going to, this is how transition works. If I split it from there and if I add this effect, look at this, the transition are working. I'm continuously mixing effects and transition. Now let's move towards the caption. Caption, you observe that in YouTube videos or captions are appearing. Mostly people use captions. So let's generate caption. I just click on generate and it will generate caption for me. So I have clicked. So if you click on that generate, the caption will be generated. So that's how to generate caption. And if I will click on caption, then there is again text styles that I have already teach you about. They appears, and if you want to add templates from the caption, there are a lot of templates in CapCut that are built by the CapCut. So you can use whatever you want to use. If you use this, then this is how it appears. That's how it's going on. So there are some caption is missing. You can change the caption from there. Like if you click on caption, then there is caption. This is, if you want to change or you want to add or remove, you can do from there. Actually, there is a problem in that video, so therefore there is a lot of causes in that. So that's why there is a problem in the caption. Otherwise, the whole caption is appeared correctly if you are pronouncing the words right. If you want to change something, you can do from there. So this is the text section and animation. If you want to add animation, I have already teach you about that. And these are the few things that are the advanced topic. So I think you don't need to learn for now. So the next one is filters. You can add filters if you like this. Now this is how, if I want this and this is, you observe the difference between the results. If I choose this, like this is looking very amazing. So that's how you can use filters. And there is another section, adjustment. I think it's better to not learn yet. If you want to learn that, you can just comment. I will make video for that, but for now it's enough for the basic. You can just click on the export button, and then if you want to change the cover, you can do from there. And there's a lot of settings, and for now you can just remain the same. And if you want to change the file location where you want the export file, you can change from there. You can change the name from there. So if you click on export, then it will be exported. So that's all about CapCut. If you have any question or you want to learn a specific thing, you can just comment. I will make a video and I will share it with you. So subscribe to my channel.